off with a very exciting adventure today. I am doing a shoot and I'm very, very nervous. I'm very, very excited, but I'm very, very nervous. So I need to get my clothes ready. I already picked out my outfits and everything. I just need to make sure everything is like steamed, ironed, good to go. I need to pick out my shoes and my jewelry, and I'm really excited because this is my first shoot with someone who is not Will. I have met her before, so at least she's like somewhat in my comfort zone, but this is my first solo shoot. So yeah, let's get ready to do it. Okay, this is outfit number 1. I feel pretty good about this one. Here's outfit number 2. Outfit number 3, pre-pants ironing. Finally, this is outfit number 4. It's giving Olivia Pope. These trousers give Olivia Pope. They're from Aritzia. I am not your toy. Fits. Now I just have to do my makeup and brush my hair and we are good to go. Y'all, I'm nervous as fuck on the way to the shoot and we get a flat tire. We're literally on the side of the freeway right now and the person in front of us also got a flat tire from the same pothole and we're waiting to get towed right now.
I didn't hit it. It hit me.
I said,
you said it while
watch
it was
out for the pothole. I was really trying to get in the zone, but I will get in the zone later. So we're gonna go to the tire place and then Uber or what?
Uber home.
Okay.
Pick up my car.
So yeah, we're just waiting to get towed. What a beautiful turn this has taken. I'm fucking dying right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hotel, having beverages, and honestly, I kind of think I nailed it. I'm very, very hopeful about this. We'll see. I'll show you all the pics. I made it home from the shoot. Took us an hour and a half to get home. It was a lot, but I thought that we could just debrief while I take my makeup off, because if I don't do it now, I will inevitably end up sleeping in it or using a makeup wipe at like 11 p.m. And so I just like to get it over with when I get home. Also, yes, I'm still wearing my skater girl attire, but in short, I think it went a lot better than I thought that it would go. I was obviously really nervous going into it and kind of like surprised to be saying this, especially with all of the bullshit that happened before the shoot. Gotta do my eyes, so I don't know what y'all are seeing right now. It's just darkness for me. By the way, this is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Cleansing Balm. Highly recommend if you're looking for something that's not a makeup wipe. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off. But the main takeaways from today, definitely practice beforehand. Practice in the mirror. It's cringy as hell. Film yourself, take pictures of yourself, like just practice kind of like the movements and getting like your face right and your hips right and your legs right and your arms right and like all of that, because it's a lot to think about at one time. This is my Perricone MD moisturizer, which I have posted about very frequently because I love it and I am almost out. Quick tangent, I really prefer moisturizers and just skincare products in general with a pump, because it limits how much you're using. This, you just like reach in and help yourself, and then you run out so fast, because I have a tendency to overuse moisturizer because my skin is dry as fuck. It's just really hard for me. But yeah, overall went really well. I'm really excited to see the pictures and I will definitely show you guys. Also, I just confirmed that Will and I are going to Palm Springs this weekend, so that will be lit as well. Stay fucking tuned. This vlog is just beginning. Good morning. I just got back from Pilates. I got a matcha, I'm caffeinated. I also got a cinnamon roll because life is all about balance. Oh my god, Maison Margiela. On a date. It's a warm floral scent inspired by a magical date at golden hour overlooking the magnificent vineyards of Provence. The perfect rendezvous. Okay, black currant, Esparta roses, patchouli. Oh my god, I love patchouli. Oh my god, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at these glasses. Can already smell this candle. Sometimes the perfume smells a little bit different than the candle. Yes, very heavy on the rose. Yay, I freaking love these candles. I think I've opened a couple in my vlogs before, but I always burn them out immediately because I just leave them burning on all the freaking time. I'm very much aware of fire safety though, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna burn this candle and I'll let you know how it goes. These are always so, the hot throw is always so good. I'm so excited. We are going to Palm Springs just because, I don't know, we feel like it. So I'm waiting for Will. He's finishing up some stuff. We're gonna go to Starbucks to pick up our mobile order, and then we're hitting the road to the desert. Something about Palm Springs, we just love it so much. I think it's supposed to be like in the high 60s. I love going to Palm Springs when it's like 100 degrees and you just like sit in the pool all day. That is my ideal Palm Springs. That's not what we're getting this time, but I still think it'll be good. I still think it'll be fun. We can at least get in the jacuzzi, you know? So yeah, let's hit the road. So we did a little antiquing and we just got to the hotel. Now, let me just give you some background. This is a timeshare that Will's family has. It's free, which is why we're staying here.
It's not worth it. We are not okay.
I'll give you the view as if you are walking in. This is not that bad. It's just funny. So you walk in, there's a full kitchen in here. A wash. There's a nice little living room. This is honestly reminding me of like my family trips when I was a kid. There's a little patio, a view of the pool, the bathroom. Okay, work. And the bedroom. I'm not complaining, like it's free and I'll take it, but it is giving retirement village. So I think next time we're probably gonna like spend money on a hotel. The last time we stayed in one of these was in San Diego, and I walked in the room and I was like, this feels like we're on a cruise. It felt like a Royal Caribbean suite. This will be a great weekend. Let's figure out what we're doing. How did you feel about our Ace Hotel visit?
If there is a complete opposite to our hotel, it is the Ace.
We're going to the casino right now, and no, I've never been, but I'm sure it'll be fantastic. Jeez.
You had a guess.
Uh-oh. Okay, see you there. Okay, wow. Now that I'm winning, let's keep going. As you can see, we are leaving the casino. It is dark out. We are leaving with $45?
$45.
And we spent 20?
Yep.
So basically we're rich as fuck. That was really fun. I would go back. It's just like, it gets kind of boring because you're playing the same types of games over and over again. And you just like press the button, you know? You have to play the casino, but you can't let the casino play you. And it will play you real quick. Good morning, it is the next day. We are on the move already. It's like 10 a.m. But we did a self-tape this morning, just like a last minute self-tape, and had to jerry-rig the phone up on the window. This is Will, he's looking for attention right now from the vlog. We're trying to schedule a couples massage today, but it is looking like it might not happen. Not really sure what we're gonna do. Right now we're gonna go get coffee, and I definitely want to go to Mojave Fleet. It's one of my favorite places in Palm Springs. They have one in Joshua Tree, or I guess 29 Palms too, but it's where we got like the mirror above our buffet table. I got like a really cool vintage jacket from there once. It's just like a really cool store, so we're gonna go check that out. And then I want to go to the antique mall, which is where we got our buffet table. It is the best antique place I've ever been to. They have so many different styles, so much like mid-century modern or like cool 70s or lacquered 80s stuff. They have literally everything there, so I'm so excited to go check it out. I definitely want to do that today. Just gonna be a chill day in Palm Springs. And now we're gonna go get a gyro. I want a gyro. So the gyro was good. That's what I have left. I wish I could have shown you, but I was hungry, you know? We've made it to my favorite place. If you are in Palm Springs, go here. We just did our massages. I'm feeling very relaxed. You can see maybe a dent on my forehead, and that's how you know things are good.